Mr. Kabir, how are you feeling today?
I haven't been sleeping well, doctor.
Insomnia?
Is that the word? Okay then, yes. And my headaches are worse. It's like one side of my head is going to fall apart. And my eyeballs are going to fall out of my head.
I'm so sorry.
It's been going on for days, doctor. What are my test results?
I'm afraid you have a malignant tumor on the left side of your brain, and it's metastasizing very rapidly. We need to get you into surgery immediately.
But I can't afford surgery. I came here to find a job, and I've not seen one. I owe my family money, and my wife is pregnant. Doctor, isn't there anything you can do?
I'm sorry. Without insurance, there is nothing I can do. Take your time. I have a situation out there.
Salamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Kana lafiya?
Alo, alhamdulillah.
Me yasa baka kira na? Me yasa baka kira ni ba sai yanzu? Asan na kusa haihuwa. Ina ba bukatar kudin asibiti. Kayan jariri, kayan suna, da leshin fitar suna. Ki masa maganar kudin iro da ya ranta.
Ki masa maganar kudin taki.
Ke kake manta ki gaya masa sai min kudin kyamarar daukar hoton nan.
Yanzu ina kan neman aiki ne kuma aikin yana tafiya, insha Allah zan samu aikin.
Kudin haya ya kusa karewa. Kake manta ki gaya masa kudin haya. Gaya masa kudin haya ya kusa karewa. Kudin iro da kudin iro. Gaya masa kudin haya ya kusa karewa.
Hello?
Kamaran nan ma.
Hello? Hello? Ba na jin ku fa.
Well, you're highly qualified. And I wish I could hire you. I really do. But without a green card, my hands are tied.
I'm going to be excessively hardworking and dedicated. All I want from you is the job. And I'm not going to fail you. It's a promise.
I can't, I'm sorry. Hello?
But
Yeah, I'm sorry. If you get a green card, let me know. How's she doing? No, it's 9 o'clock. She should have opened her eyes by now.
Tell me what the bag looked like.
Yeah, it's a black leather Marc Jacobs bag. It was right by my feet, and I don't know where it went.
Okay, did you get up at any point in time?
Yeah, I went to the bathroom.
Okay, did you take it to the
Yeah,
bathroom?
I took it to the bathroom with me. I checked the bathrooms. I checked behind all the stall doors.
Just calm down. We'll find the bag for you.
Okay.
Here's your bag. I'm here to return it.
You know this guy?
Yeah, it's all here. I don't want to press charges.
Are you sure, ma'am?
Yeah.
All right, it's your call.
Hello, Jamila?
Na'am. Batun kudin asibiti da kudin suna da kayan fitan suna.
Jamila, dala ya haƙuri akwai kiran da ya shigo barin ansa.
Okay.
Ki riƙe wayan.
To,
Hello, Dr. Marcos.
Kabir, I have some good news for you. The lab screwed up. There was a mix-up with someone else's results. You don't have a tumor. You're going to be fine.
What about the headaches and insomnia?
It's just stress. You're going through so much. I'm not surprised. You need to take better care of yourself.
Thank you, doctor. Jamila? Dama ba wani abu bane. Kawai na kira ki ne ina son jin muryarki.
to, au,
Ina son ki.